how to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers problem. So if you want to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers, then for the first step, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. And for the second step, you want to just simply go with your search and then type in view network connections. Once you find the option, click on it, which will be on your control panel. And then once you're in this, you want to just simply go and find your network adapter. Just right click on it or double click on it, and then you will have a properties option. You need to click on properties and then go with Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtained the IP address automatically. Just click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then go with properties again, which will be on the right side. And here you need to select obtain an IP address automatically. And here also you need to select obtain DNS server address automatically as well. So you want to keep this on the default options and click on OK. Once done, you need to go back and then again go with your search and type in CMD. Once you've searched, you will have your command prompt right here. Right click on it, go with run as administrator and click on yes. And then once you run this as an administrator, you need to type in the following command, which is ipconfig //DNS. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in the next command, which is netsh winsock reset. And then click on the enter again. Now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.